Check all parts. Take out the door panel. Install door catch pads on both sides of the back. Then install the door handle onto the door panel. Then insert metal clips on both sides of the door. Insert handle through pad on small grid door. Insert metal clips on both sides as well. Then take out the door catch, install it into the pre-drilled hole on the lower door panel. Install door catches on lower panel, upper panel, top grid, and shelves. Align the holes of the lower door panel and side frame. Align screw grooves on the side frame and tighten screws. Then take out the recessed shelf, install it onto the side frame. Install upper door panel with catch down on frame. Then take out the top panel, also with the door catch facing down. Install it onto the frame. Take out the small grid shelf, also with the door catch facing down. Install it onto the side frame. Use vertical partition screws here. Take out vertical partition and install on small grid shelf. Use vertical partition screws here. Then take out vertical partition screws, install the vertical partition. Take out leg support and install on lower door panel. Install it into the bottommost hole. Then take out the shelf clip, install it onto the lower door panel. Also install screws on the top. Flip the shelf. Insert the back panel along the groove. Insert the small panel on top. The panel must fit into the side groove. Take out the side groove. After fitting into the back panel, tighten screws on the side frame. Straighten the shelf. First remove the screws on the top panel, to make door installation easier. Align holes and install the door panel. Align the bottom holes. After slightly lifting the top shelf, tighten the metal clip. Install remaining doors the same way. Also remove screws on the small door's side for easy installation. After installation, retighten the screws. Note, the middle screw is for the vertical partition. After all screws are tightened, the installation is complete.